What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. Hope that fan's not too loud for you. It's like 90 degrees in here and 60 degrees outside my garage. So today, more disappointing news. Still don't have any of my parts. It's been 33 days now. Don't ever order from MA Performance. Still kind of in a little custody battle, if you will, for my parts. Anyways, today I want to show you guys things that I ordered a month ago that actually came in the same week that I ordered them. Just so you guys can see, maybe you haven't seen them. I got right here, these are the TGV and EGR Deletes that I talked about from PRL. It was a package, it was $120 for both. So this is a TGV, if you guys don't know. I didn't know until a week before I bought these. My tuner recommended I do these, just because it's 120 bucks. With the walnut blasting, they'll be taking the manifold off, and they'll be right there for these. The EGRs look like this. It's a little bit different. I don't know a whole lot about EGRs, but I know some about a TGV. But basically, your stock ones look just like this, but in here, they have a valve like this. So if you're looking at it like this, the valve would be inside here like that. And what it does is it opens and closes. It has to do roughly with air to fuel ratio, things like that, but I'm not an expert on it. It's just a good idea to go ahead and do it. So what a TGV delete does, obviously, is as you see here, it deletes that little valve in there. So you would take those out, the stock ones, and you'd slide these in. It's a super easy install, the TGVs. The EGR is, I think it takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours. The problem is, I can't do either of these and then drive it at all. You cannot drive it. You can't modify either of these two parts and then drive the car. So you have to have it tuned right away. But this is what it looks like. It's from PRL. I'm happy with the way it's made. It's a simple part. Same with the EGR, you know, it looks like it's a kit, so it comes with everything you need. The other thing I ordered that I also got here very quickly is from Visconti Tuning, right there. And it's called a speed density kit, but really what it is it extends your mass airflow sensor, if I'm getting that right. It basically, so it takes it from your air intake to, I guess they mount it near the manifold. And what that does, it just looks like this. It's an extension, that's really all it is. And so what that does is it allows the tuner to get a more accurate reading of temperatures. The temperatures on the manifold is way more accurate than the temperature in your air intake. And so what does that mean? Well, that's pretty simple. I mean, when you think about it, it just means that with a more accurate temperature reading, you can tune the car more accurately. And so those are the two things I have. I'm literally the boost control solenoid BCS from Cobb. I'm actually just buying at the tuner because he's just gonna throw it on, and then they're gonna do a boost lead test, and then they're gonna dyno it. So we're just waiting on the intercooler now. And I apologize, guys. Thank you for being patient. I'm sorry. Every week it's kind of like, you know, we're waiting. Like I think I'm gonna get the parts, and then I don't, and then I call and they say I'll get them, and then I don't again. Anyways, it's been a really frustrating process for me. I'm sure it's frustrating for you guys as well. Just because, let's get this intercooler on already. But here I am messing around. I just wanted to take a quick second. I figured I'd show you guys what I got already, in case you never knew what a TGV delete was, or an EGR delete. Now you know. They do, from what I've heard, help significantly. But I can't wait to do, like I said, the install video with the intercooler. And then after I do that intercooler video, like putting it on, we'll drive it to the shop. Hopefully they'll let me film the dyno part of it. But at the very least, I'll film what I can, and I will show you guys the numbers so that you can compare your WRX to mine. I'm shooting for 315. I saw a WRX on Instagram with the same mods that I'm doing, but different brands and things, a little bit different tweaks. And he got 315 to the wheels and like 300 even torque. And so I'm hoping that I can pass that up fairly easily. We'll see. After this though, I think we're gonna start on the exterior of the car, like lowering it and the hood and the wing, and then later on we'll move into E85 and things like that. And that's gonna be it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video for more content just like this. If you enjoyed the video, please share it with a friend that helps out. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of July. That's the goal here. Moving pretty slow. It's a tough game, but thank you guys for support. I'll see you in the next one.